Good morning, children. Welcome back to Ican Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the electrostatic potential energy due to an electric dipole placed in the uniform electric field. Let's enjoy the class. So let us consider a uniform electric field. Okay. So equal and parallel and the magnitude is also same. Then only it is said to be uniform electric field. In that we can place an electric dipole of dipole length 2a. Minus q is the charge placed at a. Plus q is the charge placed at a. So because of that, it experiences a force. Why? The positive charge experiences a force along the direction of the electric field. So F equal to plus QE. So minus Q is the charge experiences a force just opposite to the electric field. So F equal to minus QE. Okay. So when the electric dipole placed in the uniform electric field, then it experiences a torque, then torque tau equal to PE sin theta. Okay. So the electric dipole, when it has rotation, why it has rotation? The rend force plus QE and minus QE is not passing through the same point, having different line of action. Because of that, it rotates. So when it rotates, some work is done. Okay. So how we can calculate the work done? So dW equal to tau into d theta is the formula. Okay. So torque tau. So what is the value of torque tau? PE sin theta. So dW equal to PE sin theta into d theta. Now both of the sides we are having differential form. Now we can go for integration. So integral dW equal to PE into integral sin theta d theta. So we know very well that dx integrate panna x. Appa dw integrate panna w. W is the work done. The work done is saved as energy. The energy is represented by upsilon. That is electrostatic potential energy. So when we integrate dW, then it becomes upsilon. Okay. So P. Sin theta we integrate panna. Minus cos theta. Okay. So how we can write? Minus PE cos theta. Okay. இப்போ நான் காசை எடுக்கணும். அப்ப காசை எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? மைனஸ் பி வெக்டார் டாட் இ வெக்டார். அப்ப டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் டூ வெக்டார் இஸ் எ ஸ்கேலார். So electrostatic potential energy is a scalar. Okay. அப்ப டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் டூ வெக்டார் அப்படின்னா எதை எடுக்கலாம்? காசை எடுக்கலாம். Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.